Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using Portman's rule, which takes the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for how we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. So now according to the Bodmer sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the innermost parenthesis. According to this expression, we have a small brackets and solve 4 plus 2. And according we'll get 6. According to this step, Bodmer require clearing the innermost round brackets first. And now the current expression becomes square bracket, curly bracket 72 divided by 6. And then curly braces of plus 7 power square, square bracket of minus root 169 multiplied by 2. According to the next step, solve the curly braces. There is a curly braces and solve the division. 72 divided by 6 will get 12. According to this step, we move outward to the next set of brackets, which is a curly bracket. And now the current expression becomes 12 plus 7 power square and then minus 169 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step. So now according to the next step, simplify the orders and exponent. There is a 7 power square and then root 169. So now find the value of 7 power square, which is 49, and then root 169 calculated 13. So now according to this step, order must be simplified before doing standard multiplication or addition. And now the current expression becomes 12 plus 49 square bracket of minus 13 multiplied by 2. Now according to the next step, resolve the remaining brackets group. Add inside the square brackets and then multiply inside the small brackets. Now first we add the values. 12 plus 49 will get 61. And according to the small bracket, which is 13 multiplied by 2, will get 26. According to this step, completely reduce the each bracket into a single number before applying the final operator. And now the current expression becomes 61 minus 26. Now finally we subtract the values. Subtract 61 minus 26 and after we'll get 35. 35, which is the final reduced value and final result. So now according to this expression, by using the Bodmer sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 35. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.